Using headset mic on Nintendo Switch is very easy to do. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. First, ensure that your headset is compatible with the Nintendo Switch. Some headsets are specifically designed for the Switch and come with a single combined 3.5mm audio jack. If your headset has separate audio and microphone jacks, you will need an adapter. If your headset has a single combined 3.5mm audio jack, simply plug it into the headphone jack on your Switch console or Switch Pro controller. If your headset has separate audio and microphone jacks, you will need a headset adapter that combines the two signals into a single 3.5mm audio jack compatible with the Switch. After that, ensure that the adapter is compatible with the Switch and supports microphone input. Once your headset is connected, navigate to the system settings on your Nintendo Switch. Now scroll down to Controllers and Sensors. Then select Audio Output and choose Headphones to output game audio to your headset. Optionally, adjust the volume and microphone settings as needed. Once your headset is connected and configured, you should be able to use the microphone without any additional setup. In supported games or applications, the microphone should pick up your voice input. Adjust the microphone placement or sensitivity settings if necessary for optimal performance. To ensure that the microphone is working correctly, you can perform a microphone test within the Switch settings or in supported games that allow voice chat. Speak into the microphone and verify that your voice is being picked up and transmitted clearly. In some games, you may need to enable voice chat or adjust additional settings related to voice communication. Refer to the game's manual or in-game settings menu for specific instructions.